Hi guys, and welcome to Phoenix and the Noms. So, we have another episode of Pony Mail. This came up from the United States, and it was an auction that I won, but not an eBay auction. It was one of those auctions they do on the pony groups that you watch, and they hold up the shows, and then you bid on it and stuff like that. But it's also full of other stuff for a friend, as we bought a bunch of stuff and went in together to save on shipping. So, as you see, lots of bubbles, tissue, lots of bubbles and tissue, pretty color, well packed. Love to see stuff that's well packed. That's an Applejack and Fluttershy sticker. So we have to keep that because they're my two favorite ones. We're gonna open it up to see who's in here. Alright. And we have a merry-go-round pony that's for my friend. She bought it. Look at that pink hair, guys. Isn't that amazing? That's like so amazing. So there's one. Oh, Applejack sticker. Alright. Good sticker choice. Sorry about the crinkling of the paper. And she also wrapped it in tissue, bubbles, and a Ziploc bag. I mean, that's pretty cool. This is a Magic Message pony, and I do have her already. The ponies are frozen, they're so cold. But the symbol's pretty good for a Magic Message pony, and that's why I got it, because I'm pretty sure the one I have has horrible symbols, because, you know, you're meant to rub it, and if you think about kids rubbing it like for how many years. So hopefully she's an upgrade to mine, which I think she is. Rainbow Dash sticker. Here's another one. This one is also my friend's pony that she got. And you put them in the sun and their hair changes color, which is really cool. Oh, the poor ponies are so cold. Twilight Sparkle and Rainbow Dash stickers. Let's see who's in here. Aha, Brush and Grow pony. And I'm going to reuse all those packaging materials and bags. Now, I was hoping this pony would be an upgrade for me. Now I'm not sure, because now I'm seeing all these marks and like a scratch symbol. But we'll see, because mine is pretty bad, so hopefully if I'm lucky it's going to be an upgrade. I'm finding it hard to get upgrades lately. Here's something. Oh, I almost forgot what this was. This is, if you can see it, this is a giant bag of accessories. It's for the, what is it called? The slumber party pack. And I only needed a few pieces from it, but I ended up buying all of it just to get the pieces I need, so I'll put the rest up for sale or trade. And the piece de resistance, I can't say that good, but whatever. This is something I got pretty cheap. I'm very surprised it went this low in the auction, to be honest. I thought it would go a lot higher, but I guess it depends if you want it, I guess, if you collect them. And it's on the original card. And it was wrapped in bubbles. Ignore that. So for some reason my Alexa is going off. I don't know why. Alexa, stop. Okay, that was weird. So I got a My Little Bunny Little Litters. Okay, first of all, look at the price. $5.47 reduced to $4.10. Yeah, I did not pay $4.10 for it, okay? I actually got it for $58, which is very cheap for what it is. I don't know, it wasn't that many people interested. Yeah, the car is a little bent, right? See, it's got a little warp to it, but who cares? I'm not that picky. But that's amazing. And I didn't have it. I didn't have any of it. So, and I don't really actively collect them either. I was actually thinking of selling all mine. Her name's Happy Hopper. But now that I got one that was pretty cheap, I'm like, well, if they keep turning up cheap, I'll get them. So, Pony Mail continues, guys. This box came out of Ontario. And this was a Facebook Marketplace find. The person I bought it from is not a collector. These were her ponies she had as a kid. And she was nice enough to offer to ship them to me. Here we go. And you know, when you buy off Marketplace or wherever, you always take a chance. You know, you don't know if it's a legit person or not. So I took a chance and I bought them, and she actually shipped them to me. So everything turned out right, and she gave me tracking number right away, because in Canada you get automatic tracking for every package sent within Canada. It's included in the price. And it actually worked out. So this is what I got. Now right away, looking at this pony with the still pink hair, I'm pretty sure this is an upgrade right away for me. So there's a whole bunch of, not a whole bunch, but I think there's 6 in here. And yeah, this one has a haircut. But you know, I think some people expect too much from ponies that are, you know, 30 years old. And yeah, this is what I really wanted, was the movie version Firefly. I'm going to compare her to mine. She does have a spot there. Might be able to get off. We'll see. What? I'm going to clean them up. They look pretty clean. They actually smell good. So that's my little mini lot of 2, 4, 6 ponies. And I'm cleaning them up now, and I'll compare them to my collection, keep the upgrades, and put the rest for sale. As we continue our pony mail, we got a package come up from the United States, and it's from Rugna's Custom Creations. Please excuse the pronunciation. Well, she's based out of the USA, and this is a custom maple pony that I had commissioned for the Canadian Pony Collectors Extravaganza to put on display at our event. And it's funny because this box came in and I put it somewhere and I said, yeah, I gotta do a video. And here's her information. And I said, yeah, I gotta do a video, so I put it somewhere. And then I got another one and another package, but I did the video for those. And because I put this one like under my desk, I forgot. So here we are doing them all. Let's get the stuff out. Oh, we have, oh, this is cool. I love when people do this. A certificate of authenticity for Haunted Maple. Ooh, haunted. Because I don't know what she looks like. And I give the artist complete free reign, which means they could do and create anything they want. Just that it does need to represent Maple the pony. So there should be, you know, when you look at it, you need to know it's a maple, but just in a different style. So we have a bunch of bubbles, which I will reuse. I think there's an ear poking out. I take the tissue paper off. Being very careful. Very careful with her. I see a head. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, it's a Sweetheart Sister mold. So prior to getting this one, we did not have any in this mold, except for the, well, we got one in after. But check out the leaves. The leaves and the glitter. Check out the eyeball. So here is Haunted Maple. Look at the hair color. Can you see? Ooh, both sides. Oh, nice. Both sides have nice sculpted leaves. Very cool. See if you can see the hair color properly. It has a bunch of colors. It's got like purple and a dark green, a light green, orange. It has a ton of colors in her hair. So I'll have to fix her hair. I have to style her. And there you go. Rugna's Custom Creations. Haunted Maple is here. Can't wait to stick her on display with all the rest. Just love it. Awesome talent we have in the pony community. Keep on collecting, guys.